So guys, are you stranded on how to record sound? Or don't know how to record sound? You need a professional mic? No, you can use Audacity. Today's lesson is about Audacity, how to record sound using Audacity. Let us dig into today's topic. Today we are learning about Audacity, and Audacity is a free software for recording sound. As a beginner or someone who is starting to edit or learning about mastering sound, you don't need a mic for now because you can use Audacity as long as you have a laptop. Because Audacity is a PC software, you cannot install it on your phone. Where are you getting the software? The software you're getting it in some of the website like Edge, Chrome. You can download it just searching for Audacity. You download. There's a process that you need to download it, and don't worry about that is an easy thing because you download a lot of stuff. So let me start by showing you what is the outface of the Audacity. This is the outlook of Audacity. You can see it has some labelings, as file, edit, select, view, transport, tracks, generate, effects, analyze, tools, help, recording button, starting button, ending button. That is for holding if you want to pause for a little bit. And this to skip to start. If you want to start your audio, to play your audio, or you want to go and play starting from the end to skip to the end. If you want to skip to the end, use this one. If you want to skip to start, you use this one. So after showing you the outlook of Audacity, I will show you the basic things like importing, exporting, adding effects, and some of the things that are basic. So first of all, let me show you how to record sound. You click the red button here. As I am speaking, you can see it's recording some waves of sound, meaning our sound is recording, right? So we say stop. Then after that, want to label our audio after recording, and you can label your audios into segments. Let's say we record another sound. Today is about Audacity. We are doing this is our audio 2. We say stop. So we want to label our audio so we to avoid confusion, which is the audio 1, which is audio 2. So we go to edit here, then at the labels, label editor. Okay, this label track is the one that you use to label your audios. Maybe this is audio 1 and this is audio 2. So we label our audio 1 here. We say audio 1, right? And we want to label this audio 2. You click where the audio is starting. You go to edit, say labels, add label selection. You see, then audio 2. You see, we have name and label our audio for visibility and avoid confusion, right? So after that, so let's say you want to add some effects. Go at the top here. You say maybe you want to add some filters, pitch or tempo. So we let us add some equalizer and some filters. So we choose bass and treble. So you click here. You can see you can maybe change the level. You can change the level and say apply. You can see this is our audio now.
As I am speaking,
You can see it doesn't have. You can see you
as I
can
am speaking, you can see it show. As I am speaking, you can see it's recording some waves of sound.
so you can feel like the audio is different from the previous one. If you want to undo, you say edit, you undo. I have undone the effects, right? That's all about effects. There are a lot of effects apart from the plugins. The plugins are the ones that have already been made by the software, right? So after that, I have taught you how to add some effects, to rename the audio tracks, how to record, how to start and stop. So let's say you want to import audio. You say file, you say import audio, you select any audio here, you say open. This is your audio, right? That's all about that. Maybe you want to export. Let me teach you how to export audio. You say file, export audio. Maybe you can export your audio to the maybe to the cloud or to the your PC. But one mine I want for PC. So I say export to my computer. I name it. It's already been named. You choose where you want to set it. You can put sample rate. Maybe the quality you want your audio to be. And then export. It's exporting to your PC. That's all about Audacity. It's just as simple as that. Just as a beginner, you need to know how to record, how to add some few effects. And if you don't want to add some effects, there are some plugins, as I already told you, that are already made by the PC before you start. And if you don't want them, you can disable them. So you have imported, we have recorded, we have added some effects, and we have exported. So that's the topic of the day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And click the button down there for more videos as I post them weekly. Chill up 254. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.